What if I told you that I can guess the first website you visited today? Is it Google? Am I right? Well, I guessed that because in today's video, I will teach you how to earn money just by using Google. I know it's very tiring working all day, working in an office, working online, but in this video, I will make your life easier. You just have to watch, copy paste, and that's it. The possible earnings here are $22 every 2 minutes. So if you're gonna work for an hour, it's a total of $600. Isn't that great? This is a new method that works on all devices that are available at your home. You can use your phone, your laptop, even your tablet. Of course, you don't need any experience, you don't need any college degree, you don't need any money to pay up. Also, you don't need to worry if you're from the tip of the world because this method works wherever you are. I always tell my viewers not to skip any part of this video, that's why you should watch this video carefully and follow the steps very carefully. Because that's why you're watching my videos, because you want to earn real money and actually count it on your hand. Are you excited? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and smash the like button and leave a comment down below if you have questions and suggestions. Now let's get right into the video. I need you to listen carefully because everything is going to be explained step by step. So it's really going to be easy for you to make some money. If you followed all the steps on this video and did not skip any step, you can go out there and enjoy your easily earned money. You can relax, buy some food, go shopping, or have dinner with your family. Drink some beer. Go ahead and spoil yourself. I know you're excited about this method, so what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the tutorial. So let's start with step number 1. Just come over to Google and you want to search for articles that teach people how they can lose weight. For example, you can search for a keyword on how to lose weight or how to lose weight fast. Maybe how to lose weight quickly and stuff like that. So for the sake of this video, I am going to search for how to lose weight fast. For step number 2, you're going to find an article that teaches people how to lose weight step by step, or something that could be helpful for people that are searching or looking to lose weight. So, for example, I'm going to use this article right here. It says, How to Lose Weight Fast, 3 Simple Steps Based on Science. You can choose any article you like, okay? You have the freedom. So, the point is, you just need to search for the right keyword. I need to find some article that teaches people how to lose weight. As you can see, this one right here that I have already opened, it teaches people 3 different steps so that they could lose weight, and I will leave it like that. Now, the next step that you will do is go back to Google, and now you want to search for Google sites. After searching for some results, click the first link that you'll see. This is kind of a Google tool that is absolutely free that allows you to create an absolutely free website. Now, I'm going to show you how you're going to use that tool to make over $600 every single day. Literally, anyone can do this if you follow the steps in this video. It doesn't matter if you don't have some previous skills, and don't worry, you don't have to be tech savvy or something like that. You can be literally a complete beginner and still be able to do this. So now you want to click on blank, this plus icon right here. You can see this, click on that, and then this will allow you to create a brand new website. As you can see, you don't need any coding skills like HTML or any coding language that is required to create a web page. You just double click on this if you want to change the title. The title will be weight loss. So this is just an example because you can use any title you want, of course, right? Again, you have the freedom to do this. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now, let's go back. As you can see, you can change the colors, you can change it to bold, you can change literally everything. You can even change the background image right here. So you can click on the changing image. As you can see, it's fully customizable. You can just go over the designs, and this is gonna be a fun part exploring this one. You can be creative and you can do any designs that you want on this website. You can try out different colors and different designs and try out what works best for you. Now, what you want to do is add another text box. So click on the text box right here. But the reason why we opened the previous article is that we are just going to take some text from these articles that are proven to get results. This is on top of the Google results because it means that it has ranking number 1. It means that this article is really good. You can just copy paste this article into your website, but you need to add some credits of this website, so you can put their links right here. You can also put the author name and so on. But basically, I would just copy this and I will go back here. Now I can customize the text as you can see. Just to make it much better, we can also add a background image. We would want to use a royalty-free image. So my best choice would be Pexels.com. This is the best stock photo and video shared by talented creators. So these guys are gonna give me absolutely free stock images, which I could use on my own website without charges. So everything that I'm gonna show you today is absolutely free. You can search for weight loss or fitness or something like that is related to the topic. I'll grab this one right here and I'll download that and click on free download. That will immediately be downloaded to your computer. You can upload and find that image on your downloads and double click on that image. Now you can import the image that you downloaded and you'll be able to see it here on your website. Now you can customize it or drag it over here and you can play around and make it nice designs and make a nice looking website. Now, before you publish this website, what you actually need to do is go over to this website right here. This is going to make us money, okay? This is an affiliate marketplace that you can come over to. Now, this website promises us that we can have more sales and less work. Don't worry, you don't actually have to do all the selling and stuff like that. Now, let me show you what you need to do. To get started, you'll click on Start Now. It's free to sign up. You'll enter some basic demographic details about yourself. And after you've created an account, you'll just click on login right here and log into your account. Then you'll go to Marketplace right here. Click on all offers under the affiliate marketplace. That's going to give you their affiliate links to grab so you can make some money. Well, basically, you can promote someone's product when someone has created a product. You can grab an affiliate link for that product, and when someone buys that product through your affiliate link, you will get commission. You can get a 90% commission, and when that product is selling, for example, this one right here, $100, okay? You'll get 90% per sale. Before we proceed, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me where you come from so that in the future, I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your region. Okay, now let's go back. On the left-hand side, you'll find fitness and health. You want to click on fitness and health because that's what we're going to promote, right? You can go around and find some nice products. Choose products that you know will be great for commission. In every product, you can see how much commission you will get in this website. In every product, commission matters. All I need to do now is click on Promote Now. It's going to give you your own custom affiliate link. By the way, this website is called digistore24.com. Once again, this is digistore24.com. It'll show you your money once you start making that affiliate link. You'll go back to your Google site and you want to add some text. You can put, for example, this is the easiest way to lose weight in 2 weeks. And that's really appealing to people who would like to lose weight. After that, you will just place your affiliate link right here. Or another thing you can do, if you want to make it a little better, you can also put some text that says, you'll just right click here to get your instant access. And then we'll click this icon right here so you can insert a link. Click on that and we can copy and paste our affiliate link here and click apply now. If someone sees the easiest way to lose weight in 2 weeks, they will click on this link and they will go over to the product and they will see that it's less than $40. You can lose weight in less than 2 weeks, and obviously, since they're interested in losing weight, they will be more likely to spend $40. You know, some people are spending thousands of dollars just trying to lose weight, getting some subscriptions at the gym, and now you're offering them some books that will help them lose weight in 2 weeks. So why not? It's a good investment for them. Now, just explore this website and make it a little more professional. Make sure the text will be easier for them to see, and it's going to be better for them to click on it and take some action. Of course, the more text you add to your website, the better. And also, make sure to include your affiliate link multiple times in this website so that in that way, they will not miss your affiliate link. After that, you just click on publish right here and you will create your own custom-made address. So for example, I'm going to put weight loss. Now you can just click publish and have a custom link for your website. So if we're gonna click view right here, this is how our website will look like. As you can see, it's really nice, and as you saw, it's absolutely free to do. I just need to think about how you can get traffic to this website. Don't worry, it's gonna be really easy. To do that, describe your link that can reach the people to click your website. That takes people to your website, and you'll have basically so many places to place your website. For example, you can go over to, let's say, twitter.com. Go over to Twitter and you can sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. You can create an account that has a name that is related to your website. You don't need any followers, you just need to post your website, and that way you can make money. You can caption your Twitter with something like this. Hey, this website helps me lose weight. Just tell them that the website helped you or has benefits for them. That will give them an incentive to click on your link and go over to your website where they could learn more about it and will actually click on your affiliate link. You could also use Facebook, LinkedIn, and Reddit. You can also think of any other social media platforms that you can use to paste your website. So that is how you can make money just by creating a website. And that's it! If you learned something and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have comments, suggestions, or questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!